YouTube, welcome to my channel Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? Hope you're feeling above average today, I'm sure you are. So I've got a new exhaust for KTM, it's fitted. If you're wanting to know how to fit it, it's absolutely simple, honestly. It's just 2 bolts, change it over, put it together, bang, it's fitted. There's loads of videos out there on how to do it. I mean, if you want me to show you how to do it, I will, but you know, there's loads of other videos out there, tutorials and showing you how to fit these exhausts, and they're very, very simple. Basically, it's a slip-on and it's a down pipe. It's a pipe that comes off the cat. So I've just got the pipe that comes off the cat and the down pipe. It's brilliant. It sounds absolutely awesome, honestly. You get a baffle with it, but I've chose not to have the baffle in because I want it to be quite throaty, if you like, quite noisy. So I've removed the baffle. I've got that. I can put it back in when I take it for MOT, not a problem. It doesn't interfere with the revs. It rides perfect. I will be doing a ride video quite shortly, but for now I'm just going to go out and do a sound test on it, just let you see how it sounds. It sounds absolutely awesome, honestly. So without further ado, let's get out there and have a listen. How awesome does that sound? Honestly, absolutely brilliant. I love the sound of it, the pops and the bangs that it's giving out. I did go for a little bit of a ride on it when I first fitted it, just round the block, round the estate, and it just sounds absolutely awesome. It appears to give a little bit more power as well on takeoff, which yeah, I'm over the moon about. So we'll be doing a video shortly, so watch out for that one. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe, click that bell icon. And share with your friends. I'm trying to grow the channel, and I'd just like to thank everybody who's subscribed. So this is me, Smiles Per Gallon, signing off. I will see you soon. Ciao for now.